Hey guys, welcome back to the Velocity Vision channel. Here we got the same setup that we used in the last video, but we're stepping up the prop to really push the hull, and we do exactly just that. So let's watch the video there. Talk a little bit about the boat here and exactly what we're seeing. If you saw that from the video, you can see that it's becoming unstable at that higher top speed. We have a bigger prop, we got much more speed that we've achieved. We're now at the 55 km/h mark, and that boat is ripping for the size of this boat, especially since it's a 3D printed boat. There's not a lot of 3D printed boats at this size moving at that type of speed. So at 55 km/h, the bigger prop is giving us more lift. It's also giving us, of course, more water flow across our rudder. And what's happening is we have a bushing that allows this to pivot on the screw that goes and fastens through that bushing and has a nut on the other side. Now there's 3 bushings that are used. They're all the same material. However, the tolerance between the bushing as well as the screw that is used is quite loose. And because of this, we get a little bit of play. And this play, even though it's a little bit, it can add up. As soon as that play gives and it pushes it over to the other side, the force of the water at 55 km/h is really able to yank on this rudder setup. Because it's made out of plastic, it's very easy to 3D print, assemble, and bolt right onto the boat. However, the disadvantage that we get is that it is not as strong. One of the other things that I want to see if I can do, I want to take this setup and see if I can actually run it on 4S and go back to the smaller prop, which is actually, I believe, this one that's currently installed on the boat, and see what I can get out of 4S, ripping it pretty hard on that cell phone. But before we get to see that, I got a bunch of other videos that I'm going to be posting. I got some pretty cool stuff that I want to share with you, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.